If you've ever wondered what Calendly is and how it works, this video is for you. Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings simple, fast, and completely stress-free. Instead of going back and forth over email trying to find a time that works, you share a booking link and let people choose an open slot based on your availability. That means less friction, fewer scheduling mistakes, and a much easier way to manage meetings, calls, demos, or appointments. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's walk through how Calendly works step by step. First, sign in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside, the first important step is connecting your calendar. You can link a personal or work calendar like Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCloud. This matters because Calendly checks your existing events and prevents double bookings, so people can only schedule times that are actually free. After that, set your availability. You can choose your working days, working hours, time zone, and even block out specific times when you do not want to accept meetings. This gives you full control over when people can book time with you. Next, click Create and choose Event Type. Calendly uses event types to define what kind of meeting you want to offer. For example, you might create a quick intro call, a client consultation, a team check-in, or a longer strategy session. After selecting the event type, enter the event name, set the duration, and choose the meeting location. That location could be a phone call, a video meeting, or a physical location depending on your setup. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close to create the event. At this point, Calendly generates your booking link. Copy that link and send it to the people you want to meet with. You can place it in emails, on your website, in your social media bio, or in direct messages. When someone opens your link, they'll see the available dates and times based on the schedule you set. They simply pick a slot that works for them, enter their details, and confirm the booking. Calendly then automatically schedules the meeting and sends confirmation emails to both sides, so everyone stays informed without you having to manually coordinate anything. That is the core of how Calendly works. It connects to your calendar, shows your availability, lets people book from open time slots, and handles the confirmation process automatically. It's a huge time saver for freelancers, business owners, creators, coaches, sales teams, and anyone who books meetings regularly. The best part is that once you've set it up, it keeps working in the background and helps you stay organized without extra effort. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.